Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Well, welcome back. I've been gone for a little while, but I'm back now, y'all, for sure. So this time we are doing a frontal install. This is a HD lace, a 613. The wig already came pre-plucked. So I'm just showing y'all the wig. I got this wig from the beauty supply store, and I'm gonna watercolor it like a pinkish purple kind of. It came out real fast. Y'all gonna see it though. So y'all know we gotta prep the skin, clean it, make sure there's no dirt or oils before we put the cap on and lay the lace. And then I brush and blow dry her baby hairs back using Gotta Be spray. So using Gotta Be spray or some type of holding spray for the edges actually acts as a barrier for any glue or any damage that can be done to the edges, as long as you take it out properly. I like to put a nice amount on there just so it can hold, and the baby hairs could be secured and there will be no pulling on the edges as I lay the cap and the lace. And I like to go and follow the actual hairline of whoever hair I'm doing, just so when I do put the wig on, it'll lay like their natural hair. Like it won't be no extra hair on the forehead, not too far up, not too far back. I want it to match exactly the way their hairline is. Then I go in with a little spray, a little Gotta Be spray, just to give it a more melted look, just to, secure it a little more and get that melted effect, And now I'm just putting the wig on, making sure it fit on her head real nice and comfortable, and then I'm cutting off the ear tabs. I also apply 3 layers of bowl hold active glue on each tab. I like to cut it in 3 parts because it's easier for me to work in sections. Yeah, but you could do it however you want to do it, but what works for me best is if I cut it in 3 sections. So I went ahead and did the left side of her hair off camera. So now I'm just putting an elastic band on her hair just to further melt the lace into the skin, you know. And while that's doing that, I'm going to, you know, just style her hair.
Really, nigga?
So I'm about to cut the lace, and I take my scissors and I split it down the middle. Now I zoomed in on this part because I wanted y'all to see, like, baby, what lace? Tell me what the lace said. That look like fucking scalp. Like, you can't tell me this shit ain't grow her scalp. Like, just look at it. And then wait till I melt it some more. Like, just fat. So I went around her edges with makeup just because I wanted to be as close to her skin tone as possible. So once I melt it, it will come out looking flawless and seamless as possible. And then I spray it with Gotta Be spray just to hold it in place. And then I tie it again with the elastic band. So I style her hair off camera. Now I'm just taking off the elastic band and we gonna get into the baby hairs. When doing the baby hairs, you want to move and be as gentle and light as possible using the edge brush. So we decided not to cut the sideburns on the hair. She wanted to leave them long, just because, like, I don't know. But y'all see how melted that lace look? Like, it just looks so good. So we are almost getting to the end of this video. I'm just doing some last little minute touches. I trimmed the ends to get rid of those little straggly pieces, and then just giving her some little bump in the front. Make sure everything is perfect, nice and smooth, because it is her birthday. So yeah, just get into this look.
Yeah, get into it.
Like, period, just look at the scalp. But anyways, please like, comment, and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching my video. See you guys next time. Bye.